Welcome back to another episode of the Jaguar teardown here. We have it up on the lift. We're going to start working on getting the exhaust system off to get the engine stuff out. Going to work on the fuel tank too. Still working on getting all of the wiring harness out. Got most of it out and loose, but got a couple connections here on the fuel tank. And getting the fuel tank out will help aid in getting this couple of these screws out of here. It's got to come out anyway, so we're just taking everything apart. And then we're planning on getting the bonnet off today and getting what we can to get the engine loose to get it pulled out. So let's get on with it. Well, we figure we'd show you a little bit here on the fuel tank. We're draining the gas out. There's a sump underneath that has to be removed first before the fuel tank can slide over. So we got to drain the fuel out first. So this is what we're doing here. We took this off here. This is the fuel pickup, I guess you could call it, down in the tank. And we're using our Harbor Freight battery-powered fuel pump to drain the gas out and put it into a can here so we can store it. It looks like we're about empty. So the gas tank has proved to be quite the challenge to get out. There's a bracket inside that holds it in place, and there's 4 bolts up under here. You see it, Blake?
No.
See here?
No, it's kind of hard to see.
Okay.
Oh, there it is.
There's 4 bolts up in here with nuts on it that you have to get off from the underneath to get this bracket loose to get the fuel tank out. So we'll get it figured out. So this is the bracket I was talking about. This thing is bolted after the fuel tank is set in. It's bolted back in here through the bottom, through the trunk of the car, and the nuts are accessible up underneath. Not a very practical design. I guess the Jaguar engineers didn't plan on anybody having to ever move the tank often. But with that out of the way, we can get our fuel tank out of here now and continue on with the tear down. Well, hi again. After shooting for 3 hours yesterday, we realized that half of what we filmed wasn't being recorded. So, as you can see here, we got the bonnet off the car. It's sitting over here on the floor. And we got a lot of under the hood components off. We got the radiator, cooling fan off. Just a lot of miscellaneous stuff. Started working on some of the splash pans. And got the rest of the wiring harness out of the car finally. Unfortunately, like I said, none of that was caught on film, so this is what we got done after we had some technical difficulties. But we're getting well underway here with the teardown. I ended up bringing my rotisserie up from our other building So we're going to try and get some arms to go onto the Jag body. Pretty much everything's out of the inside of the car now. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and keep tuned in.